We had the others were asked about Venezuela, and they said Venezuela is far away from Zimbabwe. We don't even know what happened in Venezuela. They discovered that it was not going to be wise to involve yourself in matters where real power is tested.
Yes.
When you know you are not powerful. Brethren, charity. Kutaka kunzwa mawedza unoshaya kuti riri kutaurwa kuzwa paa kunzi intercontinental ballistic missile bobva vati ewo
tisina kana bomba kana wani
isu tine magrenade ekutomhanya neruoko unokanda kudai so intercontinental
ipapo pakakosha pabatisisei
uri mutakushopu kana kuti mukarestaurant kako uchisevha shuga uchisevha chikafu so wotanga kuplaya chegumi chi pupa panzi Magaya gava apa macustomers ako vana vaMagaya wagonei manje.
Yo, it's the okay TV, right? There's no favorite channel started from today. Guys, I'm back. I'm happy to be back. I've been doing a few upgrades. So right now I'm 90% complete. So welcome to our YouTube channel, God KTV, whereby we post and analyze Masemonzi. Guys, you know what? I just want to say shout out to my brother, Decent Mugwadi. He's the first one akauya kuwhatsapp kwangu kuzochata neni. He's the first top fan akauya kuwhatsapp kwangu kuzochata neni because tantaisa number tikati wanda wachata nesu you can come. So shout out to you, Decent Mugwadi, out there wherever you are. May God bless you, my brother. We are back, guys. In the video, a very interesting Apostle Chiwenga, whereby he is empowering Africans as well as us Zimbabweans, because he is saying that you have to admit that you Africans, you are not wise, and he seems to have a solution, coming up with a solution on how you can be wise and how you can empower yourself. So without wasting much time, guys, let's get into the video. And advertiser, the number is there. And our chat and any WhatsApp, the number is there. Those who want to support the channel, the number is also there. So without wasting much time, video no ragat, but it's kind of very powerful and it's gonna help you with a lot of things in life. So let's get into the video.
You cannot function in the kingdom if you are not wise.
Yes.
Because number one, a kingdom is a place of strength.
Yes.
Look at the war right now in Iran. It's a matter of strength. If you are not strong, look at us right now. How many presidents have you had commenting on the war? We had the others were asked about Venezuela, and they said Venezuela is far away from Zimbabwe. We don't even know what happened in Venezuela. They discovered that it was not going to be wise to involve yourself in matters where real power is tested.
Yes.
When you know you are not powerful.
President Mnangagwa, what did you think of what happened in Venezuela last month?
Venezuela is very far away from Zimbabwe.
Yes, it is. yes, sir. But I wonder, I still wonder as a head of state, a longtime head of state, what you thought of that. I mean, you must pay attention to what happens to other heads of state.
Yeah, but I don't know what we really read in Zimbabwe actually happens in Venezuela, but from what we read, we are interested to know why it is happening.
My president is arutaka kubvunzwa nyaya dzehondo, arutaka kuvhura MaVerse emuBhaibheri. Mwari akanaka nguva dzose.
Aiwa Trump anouya.
Keep your chakadaro edu, keep our chakadaro. Time yacho yakadarika. Kunouya vamwe vanoti touya here mangwana.
Trump anouya man.
When you look at this war between US, Israel and Iran, you will learn a lot of things. You will learn what power is and what a claim of power is. Yeah. And you also discover the difference between money and military power. There are certain circumstances where money will not help you.
Exactly.
Panoda zvibhakira mari dzimwe nguva haishandi. Kutokunga chaiko ukanda asi kana chisina kusimba rinobva ratyoka ruoko rwacho naka1. So only the strong are the ones who will remain standing. This is why the weak ones will not even dare to join the conversation. Vanongoti gonzo mini gara mumhango. Brethren, charity. Unotaka kunzwa mawedza unoshaya kuti riri kutaurwa. Uzwa paa kunzi intercontinental ballistic missile. Bobva vati ewo
sitisina kana bhomba kana 1.
Isu tine magrenade ekutomhanya neruoko unokanda kudai so. Intercontinental.
Boys rangu ka mdara akaipa uyu. Mdara yale mabhazi guys, but seriously just think of it guys. Bomba rinotipedzera rinoita mari guys. Ero regara kura sei. Unoda kupedzerwa nekatsono kakadai so 2 minutes mune manyaradzwa.
Kana zvakadaro ngatidzokere kumba. Egetisane nawo. So be not unwise. But search to understand the will of the Father. The will of the Father is for us to be wise. The will of the Father is to be useful. You understand? What I want to do before we go to 1 Chronicles 12 is to say that accept what the king said about the children of light. We are not naturally wise. Now, this acceptation is very important because when you accept that you are not wise, you do not rely on your reasoning because the words unwise, they apply more in terms of your reasoning. Your greatest weakness are your thought processes. Because once you are not wise, CPU rako arina power. So every time you are talking and thinking, remember, I am thinking, but this brain that is thinking is not very wise. So what can I do? I might not need to think a lot because what I might rather need is to use other people's brains. For example, if we talk right now, I talk to men kudari ndobvudza varume taka break here mapicha tikutanga here makambani unonzwa munhu achiti ndaane 5000 yandakasevha kutanga gore rakapera ndoda kungoti ndingowana business idea ndobva ndatotanga kureva kuti aane 24 months mari iri kuungana but mumusoro hamuna chiri kuungana kuti afunge kuti angaite business rei zvaramba. I've met people who will tell you that I cannot identify a viable business to do. In other words, they are saying, I am not wise. Because in 30 minutes, a wise person will identify a business idea. From 30 minutes going onwards, he's already planning how to implement it. If it has taken you 24 months to identify a business idea, are you wise now?
You are not.
Because identifying a viable business in your situation is not complex. What is rather complex is how to scale it up and become rich, make more money. That may be complex. But starting a business? Ask your neighbor, have you started a business? How long have you been planning on starting a business? If you haven't, you are a mumu. The Lord was right. You are dumb, you are a dandayant. You are not failing to solve a complex problem. You are failing to solve a simple problem. Actually, it's not a problem. It's actually an opportunity to use your mind. Starting a business is an opportunity to use your mind. It's not a problem.
Okay, guys, have you ever realized a situation whereby Maruno go nayo but business idea no go see nothing? business idea unovhoita mari pasina vakaona zvinhu zvozvo hazvibatane zvinhu izvozvozvo kana tonoita business idea musi vanongobata mari chete zvese hwa zvese zvawaifunga kuda kuita zvese zvezvi unozozvifunga mari yapera kuti pandinoteka chakati kamusiyeti chake business guys seriously vakambozviita here.
We have a person with a multi-million-dollar business, but he has made some not very wise decisions, and now he is realizing that his business is falling. Those are complex problems. How to keep the business afloat.
Yes.
That might be complex. Not to just start a business. I can't start a business. I don't even know what to do. I've been spending the whole night searching. Oh, you are not wise.
Yes.
So you need to know, so what can I do? The first level on how to overcome simple-mindedness, to become wise, accept that you are not wise.
Yes.
Don't argue.
Exactly.
Unochena msoro uchita nharo.
Yes.
When you accept that you are not wise, you create room in your head to acquire knowledge that is not coming from your brain. You may have 100 ideas that you have never been able to implement for the past 20 years. And this is another strategy that I might give you. One of the things that unwise people do is, in their lack of wisdom, they hatch ideas that never come into reality. And what lack of wisdom does to you is it keeps you hoping that one day this idea will come into reality. Set aside this idea that you can't materialize. Go out and learn another person's business idea. Modify it to fit your situation and implement it.
Yes.
There are so many businesses today that are not organic business ideas. For example, Huawei is not a Chinese idea. They simply copied Samsung, came up with their own idea, their own version of a mobile phone. For most of the part, if you look at the Huawei phone, you can see that it's like they pirated the whole workmanship of the Samsung phone. Tried to make it better than Samsung, failed, but managed to impress the Chinese market.
Yes, guys. Ndoda kumbotsigira apa guys. Vanhu vanofanira kuadmita zvechokwadi kuti uri unwise. Makamboona here kuti chinhu chinonzi dofo guys, haazi munhu asingagone chikoro. Chinhu chinonzi dofo handitika. Munhu anoramba ndiri dofo. Ndo dofo irororo. As long as ukangobvuma chete kuti nandigone, you find out kuti help inotanga kutouya so. And vanhu, they are willing to help you. I think he is correct, right? They're very, very correct.
They've never produced an organic product from scratch. They copy ideas from the West. If you look at their cars today, the Avao, the Photon, the Jolion, you can look at this car and say, this car, they were trying to mimic the Mercedes G63 G-Wagon car. That one, they were copying the Lexus. That one, they were copying the Mercedes-Benz. Some of their cars, they exactly look like the one they copied. They have a car that exactly looks like a Rolls-Royce.
Exactly,
but they're making money.
Yes.
Rose, exactly.
They admitted that they were not wise. So they did not bother themselves with thinking. They simply said, we will learn from the wise. Am I not right, Bishop Jeremiah?
Yeah, very right.
He's right.
They're making money.
Yeah.
China is now the biggest economy in terms of their market share. They only lag behind the US because of population disparities. The amount of business that the US makes might be lesser than the amount of business China makes. But because China is 5 times the population of the US. The US makes more profit at the end. But in terms of business, China is growing.
Yes.
And yet most of their business ideas, they are copied from the West. We know that.
Yes.
Who are you going to impress with your organic idea? I have an idea, something that have never been heard, men of God, which is never going to come to pass. Your children are not interested in your first of its own kind idea. Your children simply need everyday support in life. Build a foundation. Acknowledge that we are not wise as Africans. In terms of business, we struggle. We would rather spend the whole day cultivating one line after the other in our cornfields with our war. The Chinese came and introduced mechanized farming. They make more money. 2 people can run a farm in China of 500 hectares. 2 people with machines.
Drone.
Yonongochibatwa huro nevashati paprazi vachiti tisi takadyara chibage nezuro taakuda mari yedu yemugwazo. Iwoti ndasvika kubhengi kusina mari. Vanongoisa planta so rikaenda rikadzoka ratozadza 10 hectares. Rochinja munda rikaenda rikadzoka dzimwe 10 hectares. In 48 hours vapedza 500 hectares nematractors avo maviri vakutoenda kumba. But these things, they learned them from Europe. So accept that you are not wise in certain areas of life where you know you are not wise. Learn from the wise. Don't copy and paste. Improve what they are doing so that you can have something to call it's my own. Huh? You understand?
Exactly.
Yeah. So this man, the unjust steward, saved himself by and protected his legacy. He protected the decency of his life by doing one thing. He used the resources that were not his to his advantage. And the master was happy. He took a decision that saved his interest, but also saved the interest of his boss. Is this man a thief, Bishop Jeremiah?
No.
Brother Jared, is this unjust steward a thief?
No, he just used the available resources.
He came up with an idea and I can send. But ndikatora vanhu vakakwereta bosi vangu ndikakanzura zvikwereti ndara unonakirwa nazvo because vanhu vanenge vakutomupembedza takanzurirwa zvikwereti vanenda vachifara.
It was a win-win situation.
It was a win-win situation. Huh? Bishop Jeremiah, this guy could have wallowed in sorrow. I've lost my job. I was wasteful when I was still in my job. I wish my boss could give me a second time. And Pastor Baloy would be praying for him and saying, God will give you another chance. Some chances will never come back again.
Exactly.
In one lifetime.
Exactly.
And pastors need to stop telling people all the time that God will give people a second chance. Some chances are coming back no more.
Guys, revelation guy, my own revelation guys. Urukuudzwa nzi chance chadzoka but aife yakadzoka guys. Inenge yatoenda ukasatoibatisisa. Mana ka.
Mwari anoziva hake zvezve. Mwari anoziva kuti hakuna chiri kudzoka ikoko. Iwo ndo chafira munhamo uchiti Mwari achandipa zvakare mumwe mukana. I need another chance. God will say, I have too many people. I've given you a chance, you wasted it. I'll give somebody else. Use your chance wisely.
Exactly.
And don't expect a second chance. We are tired of people who mess things around, hoping that they'll get another chance. What if another chance is not coming?
Yes.
I don't have capital. Some people started business with other people's money, but they are rich today.
Yes.
And so instead of praying to God for capital, then Justice Stewart said, I'll use my master's money, but he'll be happy with how I'll use it.
Yes.
He came up with a brilliant idea.
Yes.
It saved his job. It made him mend his relationship with his boss. And he learned his mistakes. He was never going to be wasteful again.
Guys, tiri panyaya capital iyoyo guys. Dambo kupeka small testimony kangu. Inini I sold my iPhone 5. Guys, as I was in college, I was the only one with an iPhone 5. Wangweza nga ine ma 4 machichichichi anditika. But zvinhu pazvakandibrokera guys anditika. I had to sell that phone. Ndova ndatanga kutengesa. Ndatanga kutengesa matemba nemachunks. Mana sitanga kutengesa mabodex. But now look where I am guys. Look where I am guys. Apa mwe munhu anenge achiti handina capital aine phone yakapenga maoko. Handa capital aine Jordan inokwanisa ita kana $40 kana $50. Guys ka. Imbotengesa ka phone iyoyo mboita zvekambudzi zve. Nei. Hozo dzosa kana business rako rabhadhara. Hainini munhu atara zvecapital kwandiri.
Everybody was saying, hello, Mr. Richman. You are a very kind man.
Hey.
Nyaya yacho yaari kunzi ari kind haana tomboiziva payakaitwa. Uyu muchinda akachenjera. Iye zvizvi ndakudiwa nevanhu nekuda kwake. He was wise. He used what was not his for the benefit of the rich man.
Yes.
But in the end, he benefited himself also.
Yes.
Win-win situation.
Exactly.
Pachinzvimbo chekusvika neCV, woti kumunhu akazvipakira mazimota ake pamba pake, ndikutsvaga basa. Wadi kuuya necar wash soap nezvimachira woti boss ndokusukirai kamota idzi. Wotangira ikoko wonzi auda kugeza mota dzangu handina mari mufana. Woti munozondipa kana maiwana. Kugeza mota dzemunhu chinyararire.
Exactly.
Tochena. Kuti bosi ndakwenda. Hamude here kuti ndipote ndichikugezerai Saturday ega ega. Uri kubuilda upenyu neukama. You become special because in you he sees humility. He then asks you, did you go to school? You say, oh yes, I have this degree. And then he says, okay, so I can employ you. He may actually employ you in a place where your qualifications that you have are useless. He simply is impressed by your character.
Yes.
You walk around with a briefcase full of papers. I have a degree. With a worn-out suit smelling of your sweat. You want to impress people.
Exactly.
People are no longer impressed by degrees. So I expire. You need to offer something else, something better than what everybody has in the market. How can I make myself impressive? I need to be different.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Some of us, we ended up with opportunities we never thought were going to be available. Huh? You were asked, well, we have recommended you to be in that place. Please go and see Ningi so and so.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes. We got opportunities.
Yes.
All these things that people are flaunting on social media and feeling that they are big. Some of us, we went through those places quietly.
Yeah.
We never took photos and published them. We were decent.
Yes.
Yes.
But guys, chii zvinotipawo tikapinda mukarestaurant totora mafoto echikafu guys. let's discuss that in the comment section, guys. Inini kwandiri hazvindiitiri, guys. Chibaranze last number. Chibaranze last number kuti iwo wapinda muhotera wotora kamiuka ikayo. Yeah. I just don't know, guys. Maybe pamwe it's a new thing chiriko mazuano, but kwandiri inini I'm a 90s kid, guys. That's a no, guys. Ndo chibaranze last number ichocho.
At a very young age, you decide to be different.
Yes.
There are people who are not impressed by your good grammar. They speak better than you. There are people who are not impressed by your cheap perfume. They wear perfume that is 10,000 times more expensive than the one you bought on the street. There are people who are not impressed by the looks of your body. They are not looking for prostitutes to hire. They are decent men. You need something better.
Amana. Mazvinzwa izvi.
By the looks of your body. They are not looking for prostitutes to hire. They are decent men. You need something better than what commoners are offering. That is wisdom.
Yes.
Prove to be someone special.
Yes.
I'm going to be honest to the smallest penny. Cancelled debts. That were not his. If he had cancelled his own debt, I'm sure he was going to be arrested. It was he did not cancel his own debts.
Yes.
He cancelled his master's debtor's debts.
Yes.
Zvikwereti zvaakakanzura hazvisi zvake. Akakanzura zvikwereti zvevamwe.
Yes.
Saka master akati muchinda uyu is no longer wasteful. He is no longer saving himself.
Yes.
So he was commended.
Yes.
I'm too educated to do this. I'm too educated to do this. I'm too beautiful to do that. In this world,
Havadi kuita chimaid vanhu ava. Kutengesa airtime havadi.
this character of yours was also in your great-grandfather. Look at what he left when he died. This character of yours was also in your father and your brothers. Look at their life. You are going nowhere.
Yes.
Sometimes choose to be different in a humble way.
Yes.
Whereas everybody is proud and arrogant, I will be humble and polite.
Exactly.
I will choose a different path. I will not want to compete with others. I want to take it one step at a time. I will not be fast. I will be slower than others.
Yes.
I will learn the process.
Yes.
I'm not interested about buying the latest phone, wearing the latest pair of shoes. No. I'm interested in mastering skills and knowledge and expertise that makes me indispensable. They can't fire me because of how much I know. So I'll be the last person to remain in this company.
Guys, I've been listening to Java recently. Aitaura zvezvekuti the reason why ndisisaita zvezvekuti hembe inoita mari yakati ari kuti iwewe uri kundoona unozonotenga hembe. Saka right now handichazvitaure because ndoda kuti iwewe wakapfeka patapata but uine ziflat. Handiri muri kuzviona manje. So zviri kungoenderana nezviri kutaurwa apa zviri kubatika.
I will leave when I've decided to leave. And I'm going to start my own business. Don't follow the wind. Be wise. Do not be unwise. The will of the Lord is for us to be better than the children of this world.
Yes.
We are children of the kingdom of light. We need to be wiser than the children of this world.
Yes.
1 Chronicles chapter 12 from verse 1. So this is going to be important.
Yes.
So what does the Lord want? He wants us to move away from being slaves, from being servants. He wants us to be princes. He wants us to belong to a kingdom that thrives, not a kingdom that is suffering, a kingdom that can barely stand, a kingdom that is facing extinction, a kingdom of weaklings, a kingdom of cowards, a kingdom of reprobates and scoundrels.
Yes.
We are not going to be like that. The Lord wants us, this is the will of God.
Yes.
He wants us to be princes. He wants us to thrive. He wants us to rise.
Yes.
He wants us to be free. He wants us to rule. He wants us to have a place of dominance, a place of influence, a place of integrity.
Yes.
He wants us to be self-contained and self-sustained. He doesn't want kingdom dwellers to have their lives dependent on other institutions that are outside the kingdom.
Yes.
And
Guys, mambo munzo achitanzi for all these things to manifest kwauri, you have to give a seed. Mambo munzo achidaro. Ndozo kunzo achitanzi mdarao yakashata. It's just giving you knowledge. And it, when some other pastors, when they give you information like this, then they say, for these things to manifest into your life, you have to place a seed. Plus the other thing, guys, ndikakuona usina usubscriber ndichikusendera zvinhu zvakadai so izvi guys. Aya patokubata apa mmere uswa guys. Kukuvhurisa mufoni mako so kuti wakasubscriber ndikawana usina. Uchingoona mavideo angu usina subscriber. Aiwa mawana ntanga.
so that is achieved if we go into a paradigm shift of accepting that I'm not wise, I ought to be wiser. I'm not only required to be wise, I need to be wiser than the children of darkness.
Yes.
And this world is the market from which I can rise. For me to become a star, I am going to need both the believers and the unbelievers.
Yes.
I know how to deal with both of them. The believers are my brethren. The unbelievers are my customers. I am not confused.
Ipapa pari
If I
important,
open
guys.
a shop and say only Zikla guides will buy,
Ipapa.
the shop will not last a month. I will have to close it.
Yes.
Because Zikla guides are like me, they are broke. They don't buy.
Exactly.
Those with the buying power are the unbelievers.
Exactly.
So when I'm in my shop, I don't have to play the sermon loud to harass my customers with the gospel of Apostle Chiwenga. My shop is not a church.
Exactly.
My shop is a place of business.
Yes.
Mukuzvinzwa guys. Ipapa pakakosha pabati
Uri
sei.
mutakishopu kana kuti mukarestaurant kako uchisevha shuga uchisevha chikafu so wotanga kuplaya chegumi chi pupa panzi Magaya gava apa macustomers ako vana vaMagaya wagonei manje
Vangosumuka.
vanosimuka voti hatidzoke mangwana wakuti kunapatsa bhalo bhizinesi rangu rakapindwa naSatani ngirozi dzoti anonyepa ndiye Satani wacho akapinda mubhizinesi akazvisanganisa. So being wise, it means knowing where things ought to be done. Don't mix things up. You understand?
Yes.
If you want to make money, the agenda is to make money. Focus on making money.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't make your place of business, convert it into a church. You want to force people to listen to Apostle Chiwenga's messages in your shop. That is not wisdom. Unokundwa manje na unjust steward. Unjust steward haana kudzinga vanhu vaikwereta tenzi wake nemachi vati bata akavadedza akati uyai ndikubatsirei, sit down quickly, I'm gonna help you today. He was calm to his Lord's debtors. He was peaceful to his Lord's debtors. And he was compassionate to them. You need to know the art of doing business. The customer is the king. And you, the seller, is a servant. So anybody who comes to you is a sir and a madam. Good morning, sir. Huh? Vane sticker kwamakandi wawa ndo vano vemakava. The language of business is to please the customer.
Yes.
Make them not have a complaint.
Yes.
You deliver on time, you are honest. When they raise concerns, you say, thank you. We'll take it into consideration and improve it for next time. Please come again. That's the language of business.
Yes.
Don't be rude.
Yes.
If you want to prove that you know scriptures, come to the review which Apostle and Pastor Baloy do on Wednesday. Prove yourself there. Call believers after the company, after you close the shop. Do tete-a-tetes at home. When
uyai kana mucomment section umu kana kuya kuchato kuwhatsapp number takupai tonyatsorova discussion reshoko raMwari.
clients come into your shop, don't be on the phone.
Hey.
Uda kupuruvira kuti unotaura nevanhu pafoni haimboshamisa foni, munhu wese anayo.
Exactly.
Munhu akauya kuzokubvunza kuti mukutengesa mafoni, saka iyi yakasiyana papi neiyi.
Birwa rap.
Yakanzi S14 kai yakanzi S15 ndokutosiyana kuti 14 na 15 zvakasiyana. Ipapo zero kuti 14 na 15 zvakasiyana. Ati tiri kutengesa mafoni iwewe. Tsanangurira munhu kuti ndina kumbozvitsvaga rege ndigoogle ndikutarisire. Be honest as well.
Yes.
Kwete kuti customer yakamirira kuti upedze kutaura pafoni iwewe apa iri mushop mako. Hello? There's a client here wazandifonyera kabhuru rangu. Zvadaida kuti taureka. Wakutaura futi? Uri kutaurei? You opened a shop to save the people.
Yes.
Save the people.
Yeah.
People know that you are at work. And it's not going to take you to hell if you don't answer that phone.
Yes.
Don't answer your phone in the presence of your clients. It's not just rude. It shows unprofessional behavior in a business environment.
Yes.
Exactly.
Ndosaka muchizonzi vana museyamwa ndo useyamwa hwacho ihwohwo.
Namukanya anongokanya.
This is the wisdom
Yes.
that we need to have.
Yes.
He called his masters debtors. And he said, how much do you owe my master? And then he was commended.
Yes.
And Jesus said, I wish my children were this wise.
Yes.
Exactly. Right. Guys, this was an interesting video, guys. I'm back. Nadzoka nemabvira ema videos mapisa rema anopisa akarema anobvira akavira. Guys, YouTube inondiudza munhu akaona video rangu asina kusubscribe, and this time I tell you tukuita door by door tichishanyira vese vari kuona mavideo asina kusubscribe kuvana vanogona kungotsva mbiti. So to save yourself from this load of trouble, please hit the subscribe button and ngorovanika notification ako. Ku Facebook unondwana ndiriko is godktv kudzai masango. Pa YouTube utondoona izvezvi so since video rino rakarebesa ndinoda kuwanzotaura ngano stereki because makuru wani matovanzwa vataura information inobatika free of charge. Hapana kunzi isa seed apa, hapana kana kumbonzi isa seed apa for all this to manifest in your life, and we have to give this guy credit because he is uplifting us, uplifting our minds as Zimbabweans and as Africans, even politically. Arakuti uplift. He is also our advocate. The reason why he is also in South Africa right now is because Pazimpa kutompizira. So we have to give this guy credit, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Please stay safe. Peace.